we're asked to find the value of x. We have that 5 raised to the power x is equal to 500. Find the value of x. Let's solve this together. So we're going to supply log to both sides. And so we have log 5 raised to the power x equals log 500. So we know that log a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. So this becomes x log 5 equals log 500. So next we divide through by log 5. And then we have x equals log 500 divided by log 5. We can rewrite 500 to become 5 times 100. 5 times 100. So this becomes log 5 divided by log 5. Now we know that log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Therefore, x is equal to log 5 log 100 divided by log 5 divided by log 5. This cancels out 1. So x is equal to 1 plus log 100 divided by log 5. And we know that 100 is the same thing as 5 times 20. So this becomes log 520 divided by log 5, right? So now we have that x is equal to 1 plus log 5 plus log 20 divided by log 5 divided by log 5. So therefore we have 1 plus 1 becomes 2 plus log 20 divided by log 5. Now we know that we can rewrite 20 to become 5 times 4, right? So we'll do the same thing. X becomes 2 plus log 5 times 4 divided by log 5, which gives us 2 plus log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5 divided by log 5. 1. So what we now have here is x. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus log 4 divided by log 5. And we know that 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, 2 raised to the power 2. Okay? So this becomes 3 plus log 2 raised to the power 2 divided by log 5. Now, x is now equal to 3 plus this 2 comes over here. From this rule becomes 2 log 2 over log 5. Now we know that A sorry, we know that log A over log B is equal to log AB. Okay, so we apply that there. So we have that x is equal to 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5. And this is our answer. So now we need to verify to make sure that this answer is correct by plugging this value of x back into this equation. So to verify, we have the x value is 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5. And we're trying to find out if it is equal to 500. Okay? Now, we know that a raised to the power m plus n is equal to a m dot an. Okay? So we'll rewrite this in this format. So this becomes 5 raised to the power 3 dot 5 raised to the power 2 log 2 base 5. And we want to find out if it is equal to 500. 5 raised to the power 3 is 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 125. So 125 times 5, this goes back here and becomes log 2 squared 5. And is that equal to 500? Now, this becomes 5 log 4. 2 squared is 4 base 5. Is that equal to 500? Now we know that a log BA is equal to B. That's a rule in logarithm. So we rewrite this in this format. So this becomes 125.4. Is that equal to 500? 125 times 4 is 500. And this is equal to 500. Therefore, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And so what this means is that our value for x is correct. So if you learned something new today, make sure that you like this video. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. Also make sure to share this video so somebody else can learn something new as well. I'll see you on the next one.